good morning to our headmaster, Mr. Imam Prasaja. Semuanya membuka speakernya dan say assalamualaikum. Kita hitung 3 ya. Assalamualaikum Bapak Kepala Sekolah gitu ya. Oke, 1, 2, 3.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam Bu Gita, anak-anak semua.
Yeah, we are ready to start our lesson today, Pak Imam.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's start today. Go to the activity, watching. Before we watch the video, look at how many pictures do you have in your handout, your worksheet. How many pictures here?
9.
9. Good. There are 9 pictures. And about picture, there are the names of the place that the picture show you. Okay. And what you have to do is to match. Match itu jodohkan antara gambar between the name, between the picture with the name of the building. Are you ready? Okay. You can write down the answer on the chat. Yeah, start for number 1. Look at picture number 1. Come on. Who wants to answer, please write down in your chat. Number 1. Okay, Fauzan said Giza Pyramid. Lydia also. Lydia nulisnya dibenerin, Lydia. Ya, G-nya huruf besar, pyramidsnya. Okay, Iren. Yeah, so number 1 is the picture of the Giza pyramids. Okay, go on to number 2, dear. Come on, write down. What is that? Aquila, Colosseum, good. Heaven, Pandu, Fauzan, good. Colosseum, good. Go on to number 3, dear. What is the picture number 3? Aiska, Big Ben. Ben-nya dibenerin, Aika bukan bin, tapi Ben. Iren, La, Fauzan, Riani, Lydia, Monica, good. Big Ben is for number 3. What about number 4? Picture number 4. Okay, Iren, Taj Mahal, Lydia, Akila, Riani. Okay, so Taj Mahal is for picture number 4. Good. What about number 5? Picture 5. Okay, Fauzan, Iren, Aiska, Pandu, Akila, Sydney, Opera House. Very good. Go on to picture 6. What is that? Okay, Laura. Okay, good. And picture number 7, dear. What do you call that? Okay, Fauzan, Pandu, Lydia, Iren, Hagia Sophia, Aiska. Good job. And then number 8. Yeah, you are familiar with this, Borobudur. Okay, Fauzan, Iren, Akila, Situ Nuraini, good. B-nya udah besar ya, nak. Ini nama tempat. Hati-hati dalam menuliskan. And then the last. What do you call the last building? Fathahillah Museum. Good. Very good job. Okay, so you have write down on your paper. We have done activity 1 or preparation very well. So now we go on, dear. Okay. Check your understanding background knowledge by matching. Okay, there are 9 places here, and then in the right box is the place where the buildings stand. Okay, learn first. Well, can we start? Number 1. Please write down write down the place, please. Not the letter. Number 1, Cairo, Egypt. Do you think so? Cairo, Egypt. So I. Good. What about Borobudur? Borobudur, please write down the name Central Jakarta, Central Java. Good. Iren, Pandu, Heaven. Jakarta? No. Heaven is not in Jakarta. That's Borobudur. It's not in Jakarta. Aiska, good. Central Java, Indonesia. So this is C, right? Yeah. Go on to Taj Mahal. Where does it stand? Taj Mahal is in Uttar Pradesh, India. Good. Lydia, good. Akila, Pandu, Fauzan. Very good. What about Taj Mahal? Oh, sorry. About Sydney Opera House. Where does it stand? Opera House in Sydney Harbour, Australia. Very good, Lydia. Iren, Akila. Ini direkam ya nak, jadi nanti kita bisa masukkan poin kalian. Oke, go on. Big Ben, London, England. Good. Pandu, Fauzan, Iren, Lydia. Riani lengkapi Riani. Where is London? London, England. Okay, very good. Go on. Colosseum, Rome, Italy. Good. Pandu, Aiska, Lydia, Fauzan. Okay. What about Fathahillah Museum? Where does it stand? Where does it located? Aiska, Jakarta, Indonesia. Good. Fauzan, Lydia, Riani. Very good. And what about the Louvre? Where is it? Paris, France. Good. Pandu, Aiska, Fauzan, Iren. Good job. Ini sekarang nulisnya huruf besarnya ya nak ya. Perbaiki. Nama tempat semuanya harus huruf besar. P for Paris and F for France. Ya. Oke, Riani udah betul kan? Very good. And then the last, Hagia Sophia. Where is it located? Istanbul, Turkey. Good. Heaven. Very good. Akila, Iren. Well, you have done the second activity well. Okay, clap for us. That's very good. Okay, so we go on to the next activity there. Check your understanding by completion. We are going to watch the video. Okay, and then during watching, you have to complete the blank with the information from the video. But before that, let's see. I will share screen first. Okay, are you ready? Okay, well, can you see the screen there? Please answer me.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, good. Is it clear for you?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So today we are going to learn about the kind of test that is descriptive. Have you learned it in your junior high school? Have you learned descriptive in your junior high school?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good. So we are going to comprehend that in your high school. Let's see, descriptive. Yeah. This is our KD 3, 4, and 4. Ini KD-nya ya nak, dapat membedakan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan di beberapa teks deskriptif, lisan dan tulisan. Oke, dapat menangkap makna, fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan dalam teks deskriptif, hubungannya dengan tempat wisata dan bangunan bersejarah, dan yang terakhir menangkap makna secara kontekstual terkait dengan fungsi sosial. Itu KD kita. Kemudian tujuan pembelajaran di akhir nanti, kalian nanti akan bisa mengidentifikasi struktur teks deskriptif terkait tempat wisata dan bangunan bersejarah terkenal. Oke. And then Bisa menjelaskan fungsi sosial teks deskriptif? Oke. Dan bisa menggunakan unsur kebahasaan dari ungkapan, memberi, dan meminta informasi. Semua bisa lihat slide-nya Miss Rita ya? Come on, respond me. Yang nggak bisa tulis di chat, bisa ya? Oke, let's go on. Ya, kita akan lanjut. Ini sudah. Kita akan watch the video dan kalian akan complete the blank with the information from the video. How many blanks do you have? How many blanks do you have?
10, Miss.
Ada berapa titik-titik yang harus diisi? 10. Okay, there are 10. Good. Are you ready to watch the video?
Ready, Miss.
Okay, let's see. Sambil nulis ya. Lihat keterangan gambar, keterangan video. Okay. Yeah. Good. So, have you got the information for number 3?
Yeah.
Let's start, yeah. Oh well. Okay. Bentar. Kita ke nomor berapa nih? Nomor 1 dulu ya. Aduh, keterusan. Dan what is number 1? Yep, the name of building is. Come on, write down on your chat, dear. The name of building. I can see. Okay, so you can answer by unmute. Ya. Nama buildingnya apa, nak? Saya kok nggak bisa lihat chat kalian ya?
Udah Miss, sudah banyak yang jawab.
Oke, sebentar. Di mana saya bisa lihat chat kalian? Apakah harus stop share dulu? Nggak ada loh chat kalian di saya. Ya udah, sekarang jawab aja. The name of the building is. Want to answer?
Taj Mahal, Miss.
Taj Mahal. Good. The name of the building is Taj Mahal. And the second one is location.
Inside City of Agra.
The city of Agra. Where is it?
India.
Good. India. The city of Agra, India. For number 2. And number 3 is number of entrance gates. How many?
3 entrances.
3 entrances.
Yeah, there are 3.
entrances.
There are 3 entrances. Gates. Good. And then number 4, color of the gate frame.
Red.
Tadi warnanya.
Red.
Red. Very good. Red ya. Okay. Siapkan diri. Oke. Preparation. And this is done before you read the text. Ini harus kita kerjakan sebelum kamu baca teks. Karena ini akan check your vocabulary. Are you ready? Yep.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. For number 1. Okay. Vocabulary exercise. Kita besarkan ya. Ya. Bentar. Match the word in column A with their definition in column B. Ini column A, mausoleum. Ini column B. Yep. What does mausoleum means?
D. A building, especially a large and stately one, housing a tomb or tombs.
Good, Aiska. Mausoleum is D. A building, especially a large and stately one, housing a tomb or tombs. In bahasa you say that. What is in bahasa Indonesia? Mausoleum adalah tempat orang dikuburkan, namanya apa ya, Nak?
Pemakaman.
Pemakaman, makam. So mausoleum is makam ya. Okay, go on now. Architecture.
The art
What
of practice and designing and constructing buildings.
Buildings.
What is that?
Arsitektur.
The art of
B,
practice
B,
and
C, D, E,
designing
F.
and constructing
B.
buildings.
C.
B.
Very good, Fauzan. It is B. The art or practice of designing or constructing building. Arsitektur itu adalah seni dan praktek mendesain dan mengonstruksi bangunan. Itu arsitektur. Ada yang ingin mengambil jurusan arsitektur nanti? Nggak ada. Nggak tertarik ya? Oke. Nggak apa. Arsitektur adalah seni ya. Seni dan praktek dalam mendesain dan mengkonstruksi, membangun bangunan. Oke, go on. What is the third place? Word. Monument. What is monument?
D. A statue,
D.
building, or other structure created to commemorate a famous or notable person or event.
Very good. So, monument is G. Bisa berbentuk statue. What is statue?
Patung.
Patung. Bisa berbentuk building. Apa itu building?
Bangunan.
Bangunan atau other structure erected to commemorate a famous or notable person. Nih yang penting tuh, untuk memperingati orang atau event yang terkenal. Jadi bisa memperingati orangnya atau bahkan eventnya. Itu monument. Good, monument. Go on to iconic.
E. Describe something or someone that is considered symbolic of something else.
In bahasa you say iconic. E.
Icon.
Icon. Icon itu adalah describe something or someone that is considered symbolic of something else. Dia tuh simbol. Itu icon. Kalau ikonnya Jakarta apa, Nak?
Monas.
Monas. Monas is one of the icon for Jakarta. Yes. And other district have their own iconic ya. Setiap daerah, setiap negara punya icon yang berbeda. Iconic berarti icon. Bahasa Indonesia apa? Ikon ya. Nah, kita bisa punya icon ya. Icon. Okay, good. Go on. Heritage.
Property that descends to an heir.
What is that? A, B, C, D.
Property that descends to an heir.
C.
Yeah. C, Akila. Okay. Property that descends to an heir. Barang-barang yang diturunkan kepada keturunannya. In bahasa you say?
Warisan.
Warisan. Akila, very good. Aiska. Okay. And then now, go on to minaret. Minaret kalau bangunan-bangunan zaman dulu tuh pakai minaret. What does it mean?
A tall,
Come on.
slender tower, typical. Yang F, Miss.
F. Can you
F.
read the whole? Can you read the whole sentence, please?
A tall, slender tower, typically part of a mosque,
Mhm.
with a balcony from which a muezzin calls Muslims to prayer.
Very good, Akila. In bahasa, what do you call that? Mhm.
Menara.
Menara, bagus. A slender, tall, slender tower. Jadi dia menara yang biasanya langsing dan tinggi. Bisa bagian dari mosque. Biasanya yang ada itu di masjid ya. With a balcony. Ada balkonnya. Di situ muadzin bisa memanggil untuk sholat. Oke, so it is F. What about marble? Marble ini bahan
H.
bangunan.
H.
A hard crystalline metamorphic
hard
form of
crystalline
limestone which
hard
is used in
crystalline
sculpture and architecture.
Limestone, which is used in sculpture and architecture. What is in bahasa, nak?
Kristal yang keras.
Marmer,
Keras. Iya, kamu sebut apa tuh? Batu yang keras bisa untuk lantai, bisa untuk dinding. What do you
Marmer.
call that? Marmer.
marmer,
Nah, itu marmer. Marble itu adalah marmer dalam bahasa Indonesia. So, the last one, dome mean
A.
Rounded
A rounded
form
form
of a building,
of a building or structure
Good
solid
job.
with
a
a
circular
circular base.
Mhm. What is in bahasa, dear?
a rounded fold.
Rounded fold forming roof of the
Bulat.
building.
Kubah,
Itu ada dome-nya.
kubah,
Kubah, bagus.
Kubah
Ya,
melingkar.
kubah yang besar ya. A rounded fold biasanya itu adalah bulat. Forming a roof, ada di atap. Building or structure. Bahasa Indonesia adalah kubah. Oke, good job. Now we go on. Kita akan bagi kalian dalam kelompok diskusi, nak. Masih ingat kelompok diskusi kalian di pertemuan kemarin?
Masih.
Masih. Oke, pakai itu ya. Pakai itu. Kalian akan lihat di check your understanding. Pakai kelompok yang kemarin 3 orang masih ada datanya di Miss Rita ya. Kalian nanti diskusi melalui WA seperti kemarin biasa. Kemudian kalian diskusikan. Ini ada teks Taj Mahal. Kemudian ada 6 pertanyaan. Kamu boleh browsing nanti, boleh cari di internet, boleh cari di buku, karena ini adalah konsep. Oke.
Oke.
Ya, di sini ya. Group discussion. Ini pertanyaannya. Oke. Ya. Kalian akan menjawab pertanyaan ini dari teks yang sudah diberikan. Kalian di handout-nya, di worksheet-nya ada teks kan ya?
Ada, Miss.
Ada. Berapa paragraf teksnya? Ayo hitung dulu. Taj Mahal. How many paragraph do you have in this? 1, 2,
5 paragraph.
5.
5 paragraphs.
Ya. Sekarang kalian ke grup diskusi dulu untuk bisa mudah-mudahan grupnya kalian masih itu. Pokoknya 3 orang itu harus kalian gunakan untuk kelompok diskusi. Silahkan masuk ke grup WA masing-masing untuk melakukan diskusi dengan temennya. Nah, sebelum nanti mati sendiri jangan dimatiin ya. Tinggal 1 menit sih. Tinggal 1 menit. Oke, nggak apa-apa. Kita instruksi dulu. Setelah itu kalian langsung ke check your understanding. Dan nanti kita akan ketemu di Google Classroom. Oke, kelas? Tinggal beberapa menit lagi. Kalian siap